Hi guys, and welcome back to Pen and Pencil Academy. In this video we are going to look at SURDS. So what are SURDS? A surd is just a square root. So it's just an irrational square root. And remember that an irrational number is something that can't be written as a fraction. So for example, cube roots and the value the pi. So if I just write that for you here. So there we have just a description of what a surd is. Now I'm just going to give you examples of what kinds of surds can come up, what surds actually look like, and then we can look at what are not surds. So here are some examples. So here, if we look, root 2 and root 23 are surds, and those are just irrational square roots. So those are just examples of irrational square roots. Now, root 5 over root 17 is an example of a surd as a fraction. And then we have 4 plus root 2, which is also a surd with an integer. That counts as a surd because the root 2 is an irrational square root. And then we have our double brackets of 4 plus root 5 and 3 minus the square root of 2. Now this is a surd and this is a surd. So those are all examples of what surds look like. So they can come in just irrational square roots, they can be in terms of fractions, they can have a positive integer with them, and they can also be in the form of double brackets. Now, something that's not a surd looks like this. So here we see that root 25 is not a surd, even though it looks like a surd. And that is because it's a rational square root. It isn't an irrational square root because the value of root of 25 is 5. So make sure that you don't get carried away with certain questions, and don't be fooled by the question either. Make sure you look at the question, look at the numbers, and distinguish between what is a surd and what isn't a surd so that you get the answer correct. So that was just a quick video on what a surd is, some examples, and one example of what is not a surd. So even if it was root of 16, root of 9, any square root that is rational that gives you a positive integer is not a surd. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this, and thank you very much for watching.